Python, search a string for a variable repeating characters. I'm trying to write a function that will search a string, all numeric, 0 to 9, for a variable sequence of 4 or more repeating characters. Here are some example inputs. 14,888,838. The function would return true because it found 8,888. 1,111. The function would return true because it found 1,111. 1,359. The function would return false because it didn't find 4 repeating characters in a row. My first inclination is to use re, so I thought the pattern, 0 to 9 4, would work, but that returns true as long as it finds any 4 numerics in a row, regardless of whether they are matching or not. Anyway, thanks in advance for your help. Dave.
You may rely on capturing and back references. Here, \d captures a digit into group 1 and \13 matches 3 occurrences of the value captured that are immediately to the right of that digit. See the regex demo and a Python demo. Output.